All right, guys, here we go. Another winning, profitable day for trend traders. And one of the reasons that I think my customers are finding such incredible consistency trading volume is because volume has so many different illustrations and visualizations, right? What I've been able to do, though, is I've been able to just dumb it down for people, right? This green and red volume color band is a way to detect volume flushes. And today was actually quite interesting because today we had the inflation report. You know, the market loves those inflation reports. Matter of fact, every time that report comes out, the market just goes absolutely bonkers. And here we are again. The markets have gone parabolic. Retail traders and amateur traders have just gotten destroyed. And of course, anybody who tried to counter trend trade the market got smoked today. Okay, so let's get into it, folks. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. It is good to be with you. Today is Tuesday, March 12th. Can't believe it, man. We're already halfway in the month of March. I think I warned you repeatedly that this month was going to be incredible, like just super, super profitable for people who know how to master trend trading. And it's not that hard, folks. All right. The indicator does all of the heavy lifting for you, right? When it's red, you're thinking about looking for shorts. And when it turns green, as it did right here, right around 9 a.m. this morning, now you're looking for longs. Makes sense? So again, what my customers really like about trading volume, the way that I have visualized volume, is the simplicity with respect to color changes. Matter of fact, one of my customers called this green light, red light trading. It's pretty cool. Now, there's a couple of ways to play this indicator, all right? When it turns green, some of my customers who are a little bit more aggressive than most will play the color change. All right. Now, if you're going to play the color change, please understand it is a very high risk, high reward type of play. And you should only consider doing it if you know what you're doing, right? Like a potential entry would be probably on the open of the next candle, and your stop loss would probably go underneath the signal bar. So this is the risk on the trade, and you can see this thing just absolutely surged, right? Like from the color change, it just took off hard and heavy. However, you guys know that is not how I trade. I only trade the retracement, and I also teach my customers who are new to also consider trading only retracements. So in the morning, man, I'll be honest, it was a little heartbreaking. You know, the market just surged. We got basically no retracements at all on the long side. However, guys and gals, I've told you repeatedly that the market will always favor the prepared trader. Take a look, guys and gals, at the volume indicator turning red. And when I saw this, I absolutely had to pounce on it. So let me try to get you dialed into these live trades from today. I love showing you guys how to spot high probability and profitable setups. Okay, so this is super simple, folks. All right, we're not doing brain surgery here. Okay, the first thing that we look for is the retracement, right? Where the market turns red, establishes a bit of a downtrend, and then pulls back, pulls back, pulls back, pulls back, and gives us one of these, a red reversal bar on top of the red color band, and that red bar has to be above the band. All right, so the entry happens right there, the stop loss happens there, and the spacing between these two lines represents the risk on the trade. You understand? So go ahead and take a look at my live entry from today. I went short 2 contracts on the S&P 500 today. This signal showed up in my sweet spot of 7 o'clock to 11:30 Central Time. That is the sweet spot for me. I have found the best setups to take place in that maybe 4.5 hour block. All right, just trust me, you are going to see these retracements show up frequently and consistently. Okay, and yep, you guessed it. Just a few bars later, folks, I was able to get to break even. There's my entry. There's my exit on the trade where I dumped half of my short trade. I dumped one of those 2 contracts that I was short. And now I'm just waiting for the market to do its thing. However, I did get stopped out here. All right, this was very unfortunate for me. I did get stopped out, but that's okay. I'm still profitable on at least one of my 2 contracts. However, guys and gals, look what showed up 2 bars later. Okay, yep, you guessed it. Another retracement that was an exact match for this retracement. So again, folks, I'm telling you, I have conditioned myself to literally take every single retracement trade. I don't care when they show up. As long as they're relatively early in the trend cycle, I'm going to take that trade. There's my opening short trade. Once again, I'm short 2 contracts. I had a little bit of slippage on that second entry, but that's okay. I don't care about 1 or 2 ticks of slippage, right? Because, guys and gals, I'm looking to make big profits. All right. Right here is where I was able to dump half my short trade in profit, getting myself to break even. And ladies and gentlemen, you can see the next piece. That is where I was able to close my short trade in profit today and use volume to achieve profitability. So once again, I've shown you live, right in front of your face from today, Tuesday, March 12th, 2 different approaches on how to trade volume. One is the aggressive way, which I really don't endorse unless you know what you're doing. In fact, I don't even trade aggressively, right? I consider myself a very conservative trader. I only want to trade the highest probability setups like these retracements, okay? But more importantly, I feel like I've shown you a very consistent and very achievable way to integrate risk management into your trading. And risk management simply means, at least to me, it means try to avoid losses. You can never be certain of making money in the market, but one thing that you can control is the ability to avoid taking losses. And you've seen me do that. Like, it's not complicated, folks. Like when you see the stop loss up here and you're able to quickly bag 1-to-1 on your trade, then just move the stop loss down. How hard is that, right? You've now locked in profits. Like, you have now used risk management to not only avoid losing, but to also make money. This is the secret to day trading successfully in the market. And in my humble opinion, there is no better way to trade than to use a high probability setup and combine it with a super strong risk management technique. You understand? So congrats to all of my customers and clients out there who are new, who onboarded the software this weekend. It's an absolute pleasure to show you how to trade volume successfully. We're only 2 days into the week, and I cannot wait to see how the rest of this trading week is going to play out. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.